President-elect Donald Trump is scheduled to be sentenced in the New York hush money case in just a few weeks. And less than 2 months after that, he'll be sworn in as president.
So when he gets sworn in, can he simply pardon himself? Casey Decker and the Verified team looked into it.
For the first time ever, the president-elect of the United States is a convicted felon. Donald Trump was found guilty earlier this year on 34 felony charges related to covering up hush money payments to a porn star. The New York judge delayed sentencing several times. It's currently scheduled for November 26th. Here at Verify, we got several questions from viewers asking, once he becomes president again, can Trump pardon himself from these charges? Let's verify. Our sources are the New York indictment, New York penal law, the U.S. Constitution, and the U.S. Supreme Court. The Constitution gives the president sweeping powers to issue pardons, allowing them to reduce or cancel punishments for crimes. The Supreme Court has ruled they can issue these pardons at any time after the crime has been committed, meaning they don't have to wait for a conviction. There are only 2 established limits to this power. 1, the president can't unimpeach somebody, including themselves. 2, the power applies only to, quote, offenses against the United States, meaning federal crimes. Pardons for state crimes go through a different process, which varies by state, but often involves the governor or some sort of pardon board. Trump's conviction is for state crimes, not federal. He violated New York penal law, falsifying business records in the first degree. So we can verify, no, Trump cannot pardon himself in the New York case once he takes office. Presidential pardons only apply to federal crimes. Trump is the subject of several ongoing federal criminal investigations, and whether he could pardon himself in those cases is a topic of extensive debate among constitutional scholars, one that would potentially have to be settled by the Supreme Court. With your Verify, I'm Casey Decker.
There you have it. As always, if you have something the Verified team should look into, just email us at verify13newsnow.com.